It is a pleasure that you are with me again. I hope you and your pet are well. Today we will talk about the following: causes of diarrhea in dogs and how to treat it. Let's start. There are few things that require taking a dog to the vet as quickly as a bout of diarrhea. Sometimes cases of diarrhea in dogs are easy to treat with quick fixes. Unfortunately, it is not always the case. Cases of chronic or extensive canine diarrhea can be frustrating for both the pet owner and the doctor because they are costly and difficult to understand. In this video we'll break down the causes and treatment for diarrhea in dogs in layman's terms. Then, 1. What causes diarrhea in the dog? In a very broad definition, diarrhea is caused by a malfunction of the gastrointestinal tract. The list of all causes of diarrhea is extensive. These are just some examples. Vascular, which is infarction, a clot that blocks blood flow to a section of the intestine. Shocks such as heat stroke or an allergic reaction can cause a lack of blood flow to the gastrointestinal tract. Infectious, which is viral, parvo, distemper, coronavirus, anthelmintic parasites, protozoan parasites, small intestine bacteria. Trauma, which is twisting of the GI tract, penetrating wound, being hit by a car, foreign body, exposure to caustic toxins, bleach, detergents, etc., drug toxicity, and ulceration. Autoimmune, which is inflammatory bowel disease. Metabolic, which is renal, kidney disease, hyperthyroidism, hypoadrenocorticism, or Addison's disease, hepatitis/liver disease, exocrine pancreatic insufficiency, dietary indiscretion, stress-induced, chocolate toxicity, overfeeding, especially in puppies. Inflammatory, such as pancreatitis, hemorrhagic gastroenteritis. Neoplasia, lymphosarcomic, focal neoplasia, primary versus metastatic. 2. What kinds of human foods can cause diarrhea? We've all done it once: feed our dogs a little from our plate or top the bowl of kibble with something delicious. I know that temptation is real, and that sweet little face asking for more is tempting, but just say no. The digestive system of our pets is very different from ours. In general, dogs and cats are not well equipped to digest large volumes of fat, or even any amount that exceeds what is normal. Candy that is high in salt and sugar can cause diarrhea by simple osmosis, drawing water into the GI tract as it is digested. If you're going to feed your pet human food, stick with safe fruits and vegetables like carrots, green beans, or apples, no seeds. 3. Types of diarrhea in dogs. In trying to narrow down our list of causes, we have broken down dog diarrhea into several main categories, which we'll talk more about in another video. These are the types of diarrhea. Diarrhea of the large intestine. Small intestine diarrhea. Acute diarrhea in dogs. Chronic diarrhea in dogs. Diarrhea with vomiting in dogs. 4. What should you give at home if your dog has diarrhea? You should never use your own human medications on your pets. Only administer medications as prescribed by the vet. The best thing you can do for your dog at home is to feed him a bland diet. Think simple protein, lean chicken, beef, ground beef, white fish, or boiled eggs, and simple carbohydrates, white or brown rice, white or sweet potatoes, combined. Feed small, frequent meals that help heal the GI tract but don't overwhelm it. You can also opt for canned pumpkin as a source of fiber that you can add to your dog's food. 5. When should you call the vet? If you have tried to give him a soft diet for 48 hours and the diarrhea persists, it is time to go to the vet. Other signs that warrant a prompt appointment with the specialist would be the following: vomiting, especially if blood is present. Weight loss. Severe diarrhea with large amounts of blood. Diarrhea after giving you vaccines or medicines. If you're ever unsure, it's best to err on the side of caution and call your vet's office. When you go to the vet, they may recommend one or a few tests so they can rule out the long list of possible diagnoses. Other treatment components may include a prescription bland diet, a high-calorie diet, or a hypoallergenic diet. Remember that our pets cannot talk to us to tell us how bad they feel. When in doubt, always consult your veterinarian. Develop your dog's hidden intelligence to eliminate misbehavior and create the well-behaved, obedient pet of your dreams. Hit the instant access button below now. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment, and share the video. Thanks.